guys, I'm Shashank and you're watching my channel Twin Ideas. So it's been a long time since I made a video as I'm busy with my studies. So today I thought of making a video on something which most of us would have played. That is paper aeroplanes. So I'm just going to talk about how the paper airplane fly and what all forces acts on it. Forces that allow a paper airplane to fly are the same ones that apply to the real airplane. There are four forces that contribute to the flight of airplane. They are thrust, drag, lift, and gravity. So I'll explain them in detail. When you throw a paper airplane in the air, you are giving the plane a push to move it forward. That force is called thrust. Now let's talk about lift. While the plane is flying forward, air moving over and under the wings is providing an upward lift on the plane. At the same time, air pushes back against the plane is slowing it down, creating a drag force. Just imagine you kept your hand outside the window in a moving car. The air pushes your hand backwards. This is exactly the same force, drag. The weight of the paper plane also affects the flight, which means gravity pulls it down towards us. There are some flight conditions which will impact its movement. When the lift is greater than weight of the plane, then the plane rises. When weight of the plane is greater than lift, then the plane falls. When the drag is greater than thrust, then the plane slows. When the thrust is greater than drag, then the plane accelerates. So all these forces contribute to the flight of plane. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.